Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today, and starting off with Euro-USD. So we are range bound, we're still range bound. You can see the top of the range is all the way up here at 118.767, and the bottom of the range is down here at 117.822. Now, there was some CPI data that came out which strengthened the dollar yesterday, which is why we're bottom of this range at the moment. But for all intents and purposes on the high time frame, that is sideways right now. And I just want to adjust this level here because that is our new level there. So, okay, so let's just look at the 1 hour to see what is on offer for us today here. So first things first, we do have a few little gaps on the hour. There's one right over there, and there was one higher up. Now I'm confused. So there's definitely one over here. So this is a level that we need to pay attention to, which is 118.084, and then obviously this level here. I'm just going to move it up onto this other hour fracture, which is where price is. That's a swing low there. That is the other area we need to pay attention to. So, you know, if we get above this, I expect us to be getting to 118.084, and even depending on what happens, but it is a possibility of getting slightly higher into this area as well, 118.268. So any pullback, I think, for me, that stays below the moving averages is going to be an opportunity to sell into with a stop above the range. So that's kind of the view I've got at the moment. It does look like we are trying to break to the bottom of this range. So this is the other area to pay attention to, 117.838. So kind of nothing really happening at the moment. But if during European Open we reject this level, I suspect a pretty big move to the downside, and pretty big would be the height of this range. Let's come back to the 8 hour. So this consolidation pattern, the height of that to the downside, and you can see there is something like that. It's more than likely on offer, which is 117.095. If we move across to US dollar Japanese yen, you can see strong move down, and we're sticking to the trend line at the moment, but it's very quickly looking like a flag. Now, this is completely different to what's happening on the Euro-USD. So here on Euro-USD, you're looking at dollar strength, whereas on dollar Japanese yen, it's looking like dollar weakness. So it's a big move down, consolidation. Look at my oscillators starting to agree with us, and we're gradually getting through structure. Now, I'm just going to adjust that one there because that may be a support level, and then let's just put that one there as the top. So if you have a look at that, you'll see what I'm talking about. We could argue that it is a channel forming for the upside. I think the key area at the moment is going to be up here at 110.770. So at the moment, we're drifting lower. It might just drift lower, find some support here, which is why I've left this level in. So 110.457. So 110.457, I think, is your line in the sand. If we can find support here, good opportunity for a long with a stop below the structure here. And then you're looking for 110.770. Okay, if it does get below 110.457 and come back to retest it, then you have a bit of a problem, because then I would expect this flag to play out, and that would give us an opportunity to sell into this. So that's US dollar Japanese yen. Moving on to British pound Japanese yen. So for this, we are sideways. There's no two ways about it. We've been in an upward trend for quite a few weeks, and we've been sideways for a few weeks. It does look like we are flipping to some downside move at the moment. So you can see diversions on the oscillator. So low, higher, low. Prices low, and prices high, and then lower high here. So that is an indication that there is something about to happen. If you come down to the hour, you should be looking for opportunities to the downside. And all forex markets are very, very subdued at the moment. So that's also an indication that there may be something bigger brewing somewhere along the line. So for me, safer bet is going to be a break below 152.575. Sort of break below that, which gives us a short opportunity with a stop above the structure here, one of these fractals up here, and that's somewhere around 153.040 area. 153. I think above 153 should be safe. That's kind of that view there. And then lastly, Euro British Pound. We are in this channel. In this range. We've been in this range for such a long time, and we've broken below it. But we do look a little bit oversold at the moment. So, shorts definitely on offer, but not from this level here. We want shorts from higher up, and first area that I'd be looking at is up here at 0.85374. However, you do have a gap further up, so I would just move this level down. Going to be a tough one to call, but that's another level where you may get some opportunity to sell. So it's 0.85476. That's kind of the view I've got there at the moment. Just bear in mind that this break is fairly significant here at 0.85374. So any retest of that on the lower time frames will definitely give some opportunity to the downside. And just going to close off on the weekly chart here. If you look to the left, you can see there's a lot of structure to the left here with this pair, and it's typically a volatile pair. You can see how big moves are. The last couple of weeks it has been really confusing. Sellers driving it from the top, and the buyers not wanting to let it fall. But I think we are at a pivotal point at the moment, so you need to pay very close attention to this one. So it's either going to look for a second bullish move. So this was a bullish week here. We're looking for the second one, or alternatively, this is going to fall below all the structure and we're going to fall further. So I'm all for shorts on this at the moment, and any pullback is to be shorted right now. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.